Today we're gonna be transplanting some of our habanero seedlings. Watch along, learn and enjoy yourself. Guys, we lost half of our seedlings because of a single mistake. Our soils had parasites and we did not treat the soils. So make sure you treat your soil before doing any transplant. In this case we used a pesticide and a fungicide to make sure our soils are safe. Do not do that mistake, guys. These are the seedlings that we did quite a while back, and they've reached a time where they are ready to go into their final transplant container. We are using a 20-liter drum in this case. Gently and carefully remove a seedling. Be careful not to damage the rooting. Be very careful not to damage the rooting, just as careful as we are. There we go. We have one seedling. You can remove it, fix it nicely into the transplant drum. Yeah, it's been good weather today. It has rained, so the soils are pretty moist. This will help in absorbing the transplant shock. And yeah, there we are. We are done with the transplant of a single habanero seedling. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed yourself. So guys, after transplanting, you sprinkle lightly with water to further cushion the transplant shock. You do the same for all. If you have learned something new and enjoyed this video,
please subscribe to our channel to
receive our future uploads. Happy gardening!